This is a progression for the Samsung dual flex wash tub job. Counterweights are off, rotor and stator are off. The entire tub is out, and now we just gotta remove the top part of the tub and replace the bottom part of the tub, and it'll be a job well done. So we had also ordered the spin basket because we wanted to just have everything and replace everything. The old spin basket is good. That old spin basket is good, but we wanted to make sure we had everything we needed in case we needed it, since we had to take everything apart. We're gonna use the old spin basket because this new spin basket came indented from shipping. As you can see here, this is the type of stuff you got to deal with as a technician, and since this is special order, you know, you can't make the customer wait another week or two. Worst case scenario on this spin basket, because we'd like to have a straight shaft, so if the old shaft on the spin basket is straight, we'll be able to use that old one. But if not, if that shaft is not straight, we'll use this one. We just got to remove it from the tub, from the spin basket, sorry. And there we have the new. So to summarize, this is the new spin basket. It came in damaged, so we cannot use the actual basket. We're going to try to use the old spin basket, but if that shaft is twisted or warped, because it is a bearing issue, then we'll have to take off this spider. Back in the day we called this a spider, with these screws, and install the spider into the new spin basket. Here is the outer tub with the bearings. As you see here, these bearings spin, and this is what's making all that crazy noise. It sounds like a jet engine for the customer. So this is what we need. This is the most important part. Oh yeah.